What's going on, all you sexy subscribers? Just finished cooking up a steak based on a comment I read. So here we go. This is what we're looking like right now. A huge shout out to Philip for recommending the 1 minute flipping technique. So usually I just leave it on there for like 5 minutes, but I'm going to take you guys through it and then we're going to cut into this and see how we did. All right, first thing is first, got our steak ready. Had a nice little thick New York strip with some salt, put it fat side down, added some butter in. And while I'm doing this, I'm also making up some bone broth on the side. So got a couple things going on at the same time, but these are just literally every minute on the minute flips. And I should count how many I'm doing, but I totally lost count. And I usually do 5 minutes on one side, but I think we did an extra flip. So I think the cooking time total was like 12 or 13 minutes instead of 10. But either way, you can see how kind of every time I flip it, the crust is getting better and better on each side, especially on one side. I gotta get this technique down because I kind of really like it. But yeah, this is pretty much what it is. Every minute on the minute flips, and then we go into butter basting. So let's see how the routine went. It's cooked pretty evenly. I think I left it in there. Might have done the cooking time too long, because usually I just set a timer for like 4 minutes and forget about it. But that is a very even cook throughout for sure. And a little bit of gray banding, but that's probably because I didn't leave the steak out at room temperature long enough. But the most important part is not the look, it's the taste. Wow, very tender still. It's nice cooking. This on the inside with a nice crust on the outside. So I'll have to try this again, maybe with a thicker steak, and then letting it come to room temperature. But other than that, I think it's a solid method. Got really good crust on one side. And yeah, I'll definitely be trying again. So thanks, Philip. Huge shout out to you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.